A recent study predicts wildfire seasons will only get more intense for the rest of Canada, but not for the Northwest Territories. Unfortunately, that's because the risk of wildfire in any given year is already almost as high as it can get, and it's expected to stay that way, all the way into the next century. It's also not the only unique thing about the wildfire forecast for the territory. A different study has found that in the subarctic, the state of vegetation before a fire, soil moisture, and wind exposure are what drives wildfires compared to air temperature, rains, and previous fires further south.
If you have diseased or dead vegetation, that's a source of fuel for the fire. So that's the sort of reason why the kind of pre-fire state of vegetation is important. We also found that sort of soil moisture was important, and again, the drier the soil, right, the easier it is to get a fire going.
Now, these studies were conducted by researchers in the South, but the executive director of the N.W.T Foundation says that these findings track with what his team of land guardians have been seeing and what they expect for the future.
For ourselves, right now, the Guardians are all trained to fight fires and so on. And I remember talking with the leadership in Fort Good Hope maybe a year ago, and they wanted to, start up their own fire brigade. And if we, the Guardians, take on this role, it's going to be too overwhelming for their role.
Fort Good Hope purchased a lot of firefighting equipment on the heels of the 2024 fire, the one that forced the community's evacuation. Masazumi says getting up a fire brigade to use that equipment could help save the homes of both people and wildlife, but for that to happen, the whole community will have to work together. Sarah St-Pierre, CBC News, Yellowknife.